Hey guys, I'm Elisha and I'm with Chloe. Do you find analytical geometry hard? Well, this video was made for you.
Our first topic is distance. So what is distance? Distance is the measurement between 2 points in a number line. To get the distance, you need to get the absolute value of x sub 2 minus x sub 1. For example, a is negative 7 while b is 5. Our next topic is midpoint. Midpoint is the point that divides the segment equally into two. To get the midpoint, you need to add x sub 1 and x sub 2 that divide it into 2. For example, a is 10 while b is 6. Next is distance of a line segment in a Cartesian plane. In the distance formula, thus you are finding the x and y coordinates. By deriving the formula, you will use the Pythagorean theorem where c squared is equivalent to a squared plus b squared. This formula is applied in a right triangle. By having an imaginary line, you will form a right triangle. Since you are finding the distance, you will apply x sub 2 minus x sub 1 and y sub 2 minus y sub 1. Since you have a right triangle, you will apply the theorem forming d equals x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. But you need to get square root to get the distance. The final formula is d equals square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. For example, 2 and 4, 5 and 8.
Midpoint formula is getting the middle point that divides the segment into two in a Cartesian plane. You will apply the same formula x sub 2 plus x sub 1 over 2, but you will also find the y coordinate y sub 2 plus y sub 1 over 2.
In dividing the segment, you will base on how to divide the segment in the ratio. You need to find the x sub b and y sub b since the x sub 1 and y sub 1 and x sub 2 y sub 2 coordinates. You will use the ratio m is to n to get the points. You need to use the formula x sub b over m x sub 2 plus n x sub 1 over m plus n. The same thing, it can be applied to the y coordinates. Y sub b equals to m y sub 2 plus n y sub 1 over m plus n. For example, the coordinate of 3 to negative 2, divide internally the line of AB with the ratio 4 is to 3. If coordinate A is negative 2 is to 3, find the coordinate of B.
Next is division of a line segment externally. In getting the external division of a segment, you need to get the coordinates of x sub 2 and y sub 2. By using the same formula, you will get the endpoint. The only difference is that x sub b, while x sub 2 and y sub 2 doesn't have. For example, point A is negative 3 and 3, while B is 1 and 2. Or a line segment and point Z extends the line segment AB in the ratio of 2:1. Find the coordinates of B.